Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you all know that I am Monica pursuing my Information Science and Engineering course at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. In this video I am going to present a social connect and responsibility topics. The topics which I am going to present is plantation and adoption of a tree, heritage walk and crafts corner, organic farming and waste management, water conservation, food walk and references. Firstly, let us discuss plantation and adoption of a tree. I have planted a aloe vera plant. Aloe vera is hardly evergreen succulent plant widely recognized for its medicinal, cosmetic and therapeutic properties, which is known as plant of immortality. In ancient cultures, it has been cultivated for thousands of years across various regions for its health and benefits versatility. Scientific classification include kingdom Plantae, family Asphodelaceae, genus Aloe and species Aloe vera. The scientific name is Aloe barbadensis Miller. Appearance: aloe vera has thick, fleshy green leaves with starred edges, and leaves contain a gel-like substance known for its smoothing and healing properties. Growing conditions include light, which prefers bright light, indirect sunlight or partial shade. Watering. It requires minimal watering, which allows soil to dry out between waterings. Soil. Well draining soil such as cactus mix or sandy soil is required. Temperature. It thrives in warm climates and is not frost tolerant. Aloe vera has been in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and Chinese medicines. It was valued by ancient Egyptians and Greeks for its healing and rejuvenating its properties. Aloe vera is valued for its versatile and easy cultivation, making it an essential plant for both homes and wellness practices. Applications include the plant is renowned for its multifaceted uses ranging from skincare and digestion to wound healing and even ornamental gardening. It is considered as a staple in nature remedies and wellness routines. Heritage Walk and Crafts Corner. We visited Sri Yoginarayana Mutt and Gavi, which is located in Kaivara. The Yoginarayana Mutt in Kaivara is revered spiritual center dedicated to the memory of Kaivara Tataya, which is also known as Yogi Narayana, a mystic and a saint poet from 18th century. He is celebrated for his prophetic writing, spiritual teachings, and devotional hymns in Kannada and Telugu. The mutt is scenery space for meditation and worship, attracting spiritual seekers. A shrine dedicated to Yogi Narayana, who is believed to have achieved spiritual enlightenment at this site. Regular spiritual discourses and events promoting these teachings, accessible to pilgrims with amenities like free meals and accommodation. The Met is significant destination for those seeking peace and inspiration through saints' life or works. Kaivara Gavi is a sacred cave located in Kaivara, Karnataka, which is known for its spiritual and historical significance. It is believed to be meditation site of Kaivara Tataya in 18th century mysticist and saint poet. Meditation site. The cave is associated with Tataya's spiritual practices and his professes writing in Kannada and Telugu. Spiritual importance. Pilgrims visit the cave seeking blessings and spiritual guidance. Scenery and atmosphere. Surrounded by the nature, the site offers tranquil environment ideal for meditation and introspection. Kaivara Gavi is prominent part of the Kaivara pilgrimage circuit along with the temples and Yoginarayana Mutt. Moving on to the organic farming and waste management. Organic farming is an agricultural method that emphasizes the use of natural processes and materials, avoiding synthetic chemicals like pesticides, fertilizers, and genetically modified organisms. It focuses on soil health, biodiversity, and sustainability using practices like crop rotation, composting, and biological pest control. Key principles include soil health. Organic farming promotes the use of organic matter to enhance soil fertility and structure. Pest and disease management. relies on the natural predators, crop rotation, and organic treatments to control pests and diseases. Biodiversity. It encourages a diverse ecosystem to plants, animals, and microorganisms that support healthy farming practices, and organic farming has grown in popularity worldwide both for its environmental benefits and its focuses on producing healthier food. Waste management. Waste management refers to the collection, transportation, processing, recycling and disposal of waste materials. It is a crucial aspect of environmental management aimed at reducing the impact of waste on human health and the planet. Key aspects of the waste management include collection and segregation, recycling and reuse, composting. Collection and segregation. Waste is separated into categories such as biodegradable, non-biodegradable, recyclable, and hazardous to facilitate proper disposal and recycling. Recycling and reuse. Materials like paper, plastics, metals, and glass are collected and processed to be reused, reducing the need for new resources and lowering environmental pollution. Composting. Organic waste like food scraps and garden waste can be composted to create nutrient-rich soil, promoting a circular economy. Moving on to water conservation. Water conservation refers to the efficient use and management of water resources to reduce wastage and ensure that water is available for future generations. It is crucial in combating the water scarcity, which is growing concern in many regions due to population growth, climate change, and over exploitation of freshwater resources. The Krishi Honda scheme is an initiative by the government of Karnataka designed to promote water conservation and sustainable agricultural practices, particularly in areas dependent on rainfall. The scheme supports farmers in constructing a farm ponds to capture and store the rainwater, helping to mitigate the water scarcity during dry spells. The ponds are designed to recharge groundwater and provide reliable water source for irrigation, ultimately enhancing the crop yield and ensuring water availability for livestock. The program also promotes other water conservation methods including the use of lift pumps and micro irrigation techniques like drip and sprinkler systems. It aims to help farmers to manage eradicate the rainfall, improve the groundwater levels, and also enhance agricultural productivity. The scheme is a part of a broader effort to support rain-fed farming areas and boost the agricultural resilience in Karnataka. Here is the food walk. We visited Chikkavirana sweet stall which is located in Vijaypura. Chikkavirana Sweets is highly regarded as a sweet shop located in Vijaypura, Karnataka near Bengaluru. Established in 1948 by Chikka Veeranna, the shop started as a travelling stall offering sweets made with pure ghee at village fairs. Today, the tradition is carried out on by his son Suresh Chikkananjundappa, who ensures that the sweets maintain their authentic taste and quality. The shop is particularly famous in its Mysore pak, which is so soft, crumbly, and rich with ghee made using a traditional roasting technique. The other must-try items will include jalebi prepared with tuppa with batter fermented in clay pots and badam halwa, a rich dessert made with homemade kova and garnished with nuts. They also offer red rice avalaki mixture and savory snack and crunchy treat flavored with sesame and spices which is located in Vijaypura town. The shops remains a family-run business that produces limited quantities daily to ensure freshness. It's recommended to call ahead to reserve your favorite items. Course outcomes. Course outcome 1. It communicate to the surrounding. Course outcome 2. Create a responsible connection with the society and involved in the community in general in which they work. Course outcome 3. Notice the needs and problems of community and involve them in a problem solving. Course outcome 4. Develop among themselves a sense of social and civic responsibility and utilize their knowledge in finding practical solutions to individual and community problems. Course outcome 5. Develop competence required for group living and sharing the responsibilities and gain skills in mobilizing community participation to acquire leadership qualities and democratic attitudes. Here is the reference link to know more about these topics. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.